Hello friends, welcome to Yummy Homemade. Today I will show you a very easy but very tasty recipe. I'm sure you will love it. Subscribe my channel Yummy Homemade and click the bell icon for notifications. First we need some boneless chicken. Here I'm using some chicken thighs. Cut the chicken into pieces like I'm showing you. Before I forget, I love to know where are you watching us from? I want to give you a special thanks. Let me know in the comment. Guys, this recipe is very easy and you can make it in a short time. For this recipe, we need lemon zest. You can use a grater for this. Now I will marinate the chicken. First, I will add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon paprika, lemon zest, and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, little bit olive oil, 3 tablespoons plain yogurt, black pepper, and mix everything well. You can mix by hand or you can use a spatula. Let us know how you cook chicken at home. I will love to know your recipe. My marination has done. Rest it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, skewers the chicken pieces. Here you can see how I'm doing this. Skewering is actually fun to do and very easy. Guys, I almost finished the skewering. They are looking so good. Now I'm going to make a mixture that we need later. For that I need room temperature and salted butter, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, lemon zest, paprika, sugar, and finally lemon juice. Now mix everything well. We need semi-melted butter. Keep aside. Now heat a pan and pour cooking oil. Fry all skewers on a medium heat. Guys, if you have air fryer, you can air fry it too. Flip and fry. Make sure to cut all the skewers according to your pan size. Fry until light brown. Now brush the pre-mixed butter. Butter and lemon make it more delicious and flavorful. Look how juicy it is. I hope you liked today's recipe. Try it at home and let me know how it is. To get more recipe like this, please subscribe Yummy Homemade and like, comments, and share it with your friends.